So I decided to make some findings myself, and I landed on their website 86fb.com, and I decided to do some discovery so that you all will know, is this platform legit, is this platform a scam, what are my thoughts concerning this platform. I advise you to watch this video till the end because of lots of things will be discovered. Okay, 86FB was established in May 2015. It is one of the companies under the City Football Club group. It has football related businesses in major cities around the world, including football clubs, academy, technical support, and marketing companies. All these are not necessary. Okay, it's more like a betting site. Yes, I discovered that it's more like a betting site, but not really your regular betting site where you go and bet concerning Chelsea and Man U, which of them will win a match. No, this is not how it works. In this betting site, they claim that the admins of the betting site give you a certain score line, and once you put that score line, you are bound to win because of, they say their score line is 100% guaranteed. For instance, if they tell you to play 3-0 as the score line and you play 1-0, you can win. If you play 2-0 also, you can win. If you play 3-0 also, you can also win. But in the sense where they give you a score line and you feel you put the score line and it does not work as predicted, they also give you 100% of your investment. Wow, that sounds kind of interesting and kind of suspicious also. So it's a platform that they say you can win 100%. Okay, before going deep into all the reviews of the platform, let me see when this platform was created as we go over to whois.com to extract some information. Okay, coming to whois.com, we discovered that the platform was created in 2014 as claimed by them. I was even thinking this platform was recently launched because of its trending at the moment. About 3 persons have seen it in 3 different places, and I discovered that the platform was not just created, rather it was created since 2014. Their website 86fb.com was created in 2014 and it will expire in 2023. Wow. Okay, let's keep finding some things about it. I guess it went live, like it was really publicized lately. Okay, I got to Coinins Nigeria or coinins.com.ng to see how the platform works, because of this is a review blogger and he does some reviews that we really like. Okay, he broke down how this platform works. He said it's a platform, like I explained earlier, where you put some predictions as given by the admin, and you end as long as you play the game given to you by the group. If it happens that you actually lose, the team will refund you a deposit 100%. The only time you lose is when you don't play the game given to you. But that's not the only way of earning on the platform. They also claim to give you 3% of your investment daily. So if you invested 100,000, they give you 3,000 daily of your investment. But there are 3 ways of earning on this platform. And it includes the dynamic income, the static income, and the compound interest income. The dynamic income has to do with what they say, the 3% after you've invested in the platform. So if you put 100,000 naira, you get 3,000 naira daily. Then the next income is the static income, where you have to do with referring people. For instance, if you refer someone and person gets 100,000 naira, you get 10,000 naira from that person. That is 10%. And for your second downline, you get 5%. So that's how it works. So for instance, if your second downline gets over 100,000 naira, again you get 5,000 from that person, and the last person gives you just 3%, and that's the third downline. So these are the ways of earning on the platform.